Hey everybody, we are back with another reaction, and if you're new here, I'm Jay, this is D.
What's up?
And we are actually about to get into Dean. We did a review for his song Howling a little while ago when it first came out. So now I don't know if this is a performance video that he's releasing, but either way I'm here for it. So this one is called Sometimes I Hear Howling in My Head. All right. All right then. I feel like that might be.
Oh, am I supposed to
pause it?
Okay. All right.
Yep.
We not gonna pause. Oh, that's the same garage area from the. Or it looks like no, it's not. From the video. Fancy Child. Oh, let me shut up. He all right?
Yeah, he had a little possessed a little bit. I'm with that. That's what you look like when you hear howling in your head. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Okay.
His eyes are glowing. Red.
Oh. So
is he that?
Hold on. We're not finished. Okay. Oh, is it done?
Yes.
Are we done? Are we finished?
Unless there is so long that there's a commercial. Oh, we got some BTS dolls
available.
Look nothing like
and
BTS.
The Barnes and Nobles. Look, the Barnes and Nobles of the street does not have sugar or gin. I'm upset. But
you looked already?
No.
They like they don't carry them at all, or they sold out.
Hunter sent me a picture. She's like, "Oh, look what I found!" And she took a picture of the table. And I was like, "There's no sugar and there's no gin." Thank you for sending this to me. like, how dare you?
That's blasphemy there, but anyways, but yeah, that's anyway.
Yeah, we not gonna get into it.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Dean though.
So we were on something. We were on to something where you were like, he looked possessed. So we won that. And then furthermore,
I don't know if he's possessed or if he's supposed to be like a werewolf or something like that. Like, you know, the thing that he had on the video with that we were saying that the arms and legs were too short to actually run somewhere.
Okay.
He'd have to be running in a circle. Anyways, but that thing, maybe that is him. That wolf thing.
Okay.
Which makes sense. His eyes would glow. You saw Twilight. Anyways, didn't they glow? No, that was the vampires.
No, they didn't glow.
The werewolf people.
But different stories.
But yeah, people do that.
But the whole the floor tore up, and then it was some subliminal messaging, and then it wasn't tore up anymore.
They say you will what?
You will know. That's what he's been posting. You will know. And I'm just like,
that make a lot. I mean, that can make sense in so many different ways.
Yeah,
you know, you will know.
Exactly. So that's not helping nobody out.
You will know when I'm dropping this album. When I let you know that I'm dropping the album.
Like, so we like, okay.
You will know what this means when I want you to know what this means.
Okay. And that could be never. You feel me? But yeah. So at any rate, that was just. It was number one. These live vocals were.
Oh, they were really.
Like I love
there's something very. I love his the tone of his voice, tone of voice, and his. I guess it's a texture that he has to his voice. It's really nice and soft, but then he is not soft, but nice and like. It sounds mellow, but he worked with it. Like it's emotional.
He has a gentle voice.
Gentle. But he has a way of evoking emotion in it. But it's different when you hear the song that we're watching him perform the song. Yeah. It was a little more deep.
Like I felt
it was a little more deep.
Felt it. Yeah. So I was like, my God, like you just like I was just upset, just absolutely upset. Listen, like, I didn't want it to end. To be fair,
yeah,
like I wanted to pan back around and him to sing some more.
You know,
but yeah, it was awesome as to be expected. I feel like Dean's one of those artists you can't get enough of, and he knows what he's doing. He just kind of like disappears, and then he just a bite-sized bit of something. Cause you know anybody else would have just like released the video, the audio for Howling, and immediately they would hit you with a video. You know what I mean? It's been months. Like he just, you know, he knows what he's doing, and I think we're all just kind of just so ready for what he's gonna drop, like a full project. So, yeah, this is just got me amped again to hear what he's got coming. So,
you will know.
All right.
Perfect.
Yep.
Dean.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for updates for more DXJ.